Welcome to EEganizer Tutorials, the beginner series. My name is Kyle Aldridge, and I'm excited to walk you through uploading your first design into EEganizer. Let's get started. Let's upload our first design by clicking Upload. The upload process is broken into 4 simple steps. 1. File upload. 2. Create design pods. 3. Assign tags to design pods. And 4. Review design pods. During step 1, we will choose the Files option since we are uploading a single file. Interesting fact, you would also choose the Files option if uploading a single zip folder, which is a common format. Zip folders are simply compressed into a single file. We will review the folder option in our advanced series. Click Browse, select a design file to upload, and click the Upload button. Next is step 2, where design pods can be modified with the design pod editor. Since we are uploading a single file, we will not review this feature in detail during this tutorial, so we'll click Continue. We assign tags to our design pod in step 3. Starting with product type, click in the window to see the default options. These are customizable and you can add more product types if preferred. We will review adding and editing tags later in this series. Select product type and be sure to assign by clicking the blue plus button. Next, click the designer's window and type the designer's name. After adding a designer, you will be able to select similar to product types during your next upload. Click the blue plus button to assign. Moving down to categories and subcategories. For this particular design, we will select Easter, which will automatically select holiday. We will also select boy, automatically selecting more. All categories and subcategories are customizable. You can select as many to assign to your design pod as preferred. And finally, the notes section. To finish, click the Apply Tags button. The last step, step 4, we get to review all the tags we just assigned. Additionally, we will review which file is selected for the thumbnail per a design pod. Since we are uploading one file in our design pod, and it is on the list of acceptable file types, it is automatically selected. Click Save and our design pod will be uploaded to our library. You will see the thumbnail being generated and all assigned tags pre-selected. This allows you to quickly view and open the design pod you just uploaded. As a sneak peek to the next tutorial, let's change a tag for this particular design pod, recognizing this is a girl design and not a boy design. Click on the design pod. This is the design pod details page where you can view, customize, and download files. Let's click on Edit Pod Tags and change the boy tag to girl tag. Click Apply Tags and it's changed. You can learn more about design pod details in the next tutorial. Let's review what we learned in the tutorial today. We went through the 4-step upload process to build our first design pod, and we even edited that design pod by changing one of the tags. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. Please be sure to check out the other tutorials in this series so you can continue exploring all the features EEganizer has to offer.